Hey guys, I am going to talk to you guys about this worksheet. Make sure you know what you're doing. Okay, so what we have is we have three different scenarios where we have snakes on an island. Like the first one, there's two predators. The second scenario talks about the burrow size that's available, and the third one is there's only one predator. Okay, we're going to graph these things and then decide, is it directional, stabilizing, or disruptive, and I'll help you guys out with that in a second. Let's first look at how should we set these graphs up. So what we have is we have years. So we're looking at how have the snakes changed from 1980 to 1984 to 1988. Well, you can see like the sizes right here, the lengths, and you can see that the snakes that were 2 centimeters, we went from 2 in 1980, 4 in 1984, and 10 in 1988. So I am going to do 3 different lines. When I graph this thing, there should be 3 different lines. Now you can use different colors, like the year 1980, I'm going to make that red. The year 1984, I'm going to make that blue, and 1988 maybe green. Okay, or you could be like, hey, 1980 is my solid line. 1984, I'm going to plot those with boxes, and 1988, I'm going to plot those with stars. I don't care. Just make sure, whatever you do, make sure you tell me which one's which, and that's going to help you answer this also. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to put the snake length down here, and you can see we have 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 centimeters. So you could always just do like skip a line. There's 2, skip a line 4 centimeters, skip a line 6, skip a line 8, skip a line 10. Because we want to try to use as much of that graph as we can. Now going up the side here, we're going to put the number of snakes. So if you look here through, well, let me click on it. The highest number I have is 14. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It almost goes all the way to the top. You can go ahead and say 15 if you want. But that's how we're going to number this. So remember, the bottom, the x-axis is length. The y-axis is number of snakes. You will then just plot 1980. You'll just look at 1980 and nothing else and plot 2 centimeters, there's 2. At 4 centimeters, there are 8. At 6, there are 14. And then you'll, like I said, use a color, then go and plot your second line, which would be 1984. Right? You're going to do the exact same thing for the other 2 charts. You're going to set them up the same way and everything. All right, now as far as what type of selection is this, got a picture here. So we have directional, stabilizing, or disruptive. So directional selection means just that, like this dotted line might be my 1980 data, my original data, and then, oops, sorry, wrong thing. And then this dark line is what I have now, the population after the selection. Now look how this has just slid over. There's a direction. It moved to the right, now it could have moved to the left. But we're just seeing like this kind of scooting over of data, okay? Now, stabilizing is just that. Look, if this were 1980, this dotted line, my new data, it's like if this were 10 individuals now, in 2 years, now I have 20 individuals. So it's getting more and more centered. This highest number, we're going to just keep increasing, and that is stabilizing. We're showing that that population is really becoming stable with this one population here. Now, disruptive is just that. Look, if this were 1980, I have this nice bell curve. Now, all of a sudden, I've got 2 different peaks. There are 2 different types of organisms that are doing well in this scenario. All right, this is disruptive. Okay, there's not a single, it's not like it's one single organism doing well. We've got 2 different ones. So that's called disruptive. So those are your 3 options, and those are the 3 answers that you'll put here in the type of selection. You're going to tell me what happened to the snakes. Okay? If you have any questions, let me know. I don't think I'll probably, you can try to email me tomorrow. I don't know if I'll be able to get back to you through email, but I will see you guys on Thursday, possibly. If I don't see you on Thursday, then Monday we'll talk about it. If you have any questions, just let me know at the beginning of class, okay? All right, have a great rest of your day. I'll see you on Thursday. Bye.